Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing great in your life. And today in this video I'll be unboxing two things. One is Mi charger and one is Mi type C to USB cable. So here, as you can see, this is the package of the type C cable, and the material of the packaging is completely recyclable. And now we just quickly open it up and see what we have got inside. So here, as you can see, it is the wire, the data cable that we have got. So it is actually the USB to type C cable, the Mi branding over here. And this is the basic paper stuff that we have got in this package. And let's put this aside and come to the second thing that we have is the 33-watt charger with the dual ports. One is the type A port, which is also known as the USB port, and the other one is type C port. So you can use two port at the same time to simultaneously charge two devices at one time. So let's just quickly open this box by using this knife and see the stuff we have got inside. Okay. So here it is. As you can see, this is the charging adapter that we have got. So you can see this, and this is the front side of this charger. Other than these things, we have got a paperwork manual, and I think that's all in this box. So it was just a quick unboxing of this Mi charging adapter. So it's suppose 23-watt fast charging with 22.5-watt max. So that's it in today's video, and I will see you guys soon in the next one. Till then, goodbye.